Hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video particularly I'm going to tell you guys that how you can add custom order statuses to your WooCommerce website. For that purpose basically I'm going to use a WooCommerce extension that is named as the WooCommerce Order Status Manager. That is basically not a free it's basically not a free plugin. It is a paid extension, but if you want to use that as a free, I can give you that plugin file. For that you just need to please subscribe my channel and comment down in the comment section, and I will provide you the link for that plugin, of course. So without further ado, please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe it. And without further ado, let me just show you guys that basically I've opened a website on my local computer. There's basically I just set it up locally on my local computer using local by flywheel. If you're wanting to set that order status manager on your website, you can just log in and follow me, and at the end you will be having like order status, new order status, whatever you want, and wherever you want to adjust it, you can have it and working perfectly. So let's just go on orders, and let me just show you. Basically let me just add a new order just for the sake of just to show you guys that how it will work. Let me just make a fake order over here. Okay, so we have successfully created an order. There's basically an order, and you can see the status, pending status. Let me just show you how many statuses we can how many statuses that we have in the WooCommerce installation: processing, on hold, completed, cancel, refund, failed. And let's say for the sake of example, if you most of basically I also work as a freelancer in fiverr.com. So I've heard a lot from a lot of customers or from the clients that they want some kind of like shipping order status, like they want to select whenever they ship the order to their customers. They want to have a kind of like status that is named as shipped. So after completed, so that this is basically the point of creating this whole video, to show you guys how you can create it. Basically let me just show you over our plugin. I'm going to install a plugin. Basically I have that plugin with me, order status manager. Let me just show you guys WooCommerce order status manager. So this is basically the plugin that we are going to use to create order statuses. This is basically, you can see over here, it is $49 and billed annually. And if you want it to be free, if you want to use it for free, you can just comment down below, and I will provide you the file as well. And please also this is a humble request from me that please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked it, of course. And okay, just coming back to the point, I will just upload the file over here that I have already on my personal computer. WooCommerce order status manager. Okay, I'm just going to install it. Whenever, if you've already purchased it and you want to just see the method how you can do it, just upload it, and you can just follow me step by step, and that new order status will be up and running perfectly. Okay, plugin activated. Okay, go on settings. Once the order status manager is completed, whenever you will go on WooCommerce setting, you will see an option over here or saying order statuses. From here you can basically do two things. Number one, create a new order status, and secondly, you can create a specified email, WooCommerce email that is to be sent to the customer whenever you select that status. For, let's say, if you want to add status for shipping, we will also make an email for shipping as well. Okay, so let's do this order status first. We are adding new order status named shipped, let's say, and you can leave that slug, you can leave that, or if you want to write any description, you can do that. So okay, next status. What will be the next status? Okay, the completed will come after this, I guess. After shipped, the next status will be completed order. So we will select in the next as completed order, and there we have all like kind of pretty straightforward options, that if you want the order to be paid, that status that status will be applied to the order that is already paid or not. This is basically a setting of that kind. You can select whatever suits you best. Okay, once we are done with that, you will have to select save order status. Okay, the orders is saved, status is sorry saved, and let's go to uh, create an email as well for that status specifically. Shipped, we are going to name it as shipped. It will be sent to admin or customer. It will be obviously sent to customer, and description, we don't need don't need any kind of description. If you want, you can write it as well. So when it will be dispatched, this is basically a logic that you will set it, that wherever you can adjust it, like whenever that order is whenever the status of the order is set to be shipped, we want it to be triggered and sent to the customer. So from status any and shipped. So this is basically one condition saying that from any status, if the status of the order is changed from any status to shipped, this email is going to be triggered to the customer, and you can add as many conditions that you want to. Okay, and there is a check mark for saying dispatch when order is new orders created. We don't need that for the instance. And save email, and let's go to the emails, I guess, and let's see if we have that kind of email. So this is basically an email which is okay. It is not, it is disabled as of now. We have to enable it. Let's say enable this email and make save changes. Okay, it has now been saved, and let me just show you guys if you can actually change the status from anyone to shipping, sorry, shipped. Okay, so this is the order that I've just created in the start of the video, order 12, and what we're going to do, we are going to change the status from pending payment or maybe processing to shipped. You see there we have shipped order email, shipped status, sorry. Okay, you see order status changed from pending to shipped. And if basically this is the website that I'm working on is basically on a local computer. If the website is on a server, if it's live, then that email, that specific email that I just showed you, that is this one, that will be triggered specifically to the customer that for that specific order. So I guess that thing is clear, that basically I guess you understand how you can change the status of the order, and you can how you can create new order statuses by using that plugin, by using that add-on for WooCommerce. And this will be enough for this video, I guess. And if you again say, I'm repeating the same thing, if you want that plugin free of cost, you can just comment down below that you want it, and please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to if you want to learn how you can customize WooCommerce emails with coding, I mean without any prior knowledge, without any using any email customizer or that kind of thing, you can easily anyone, I guess, any non-tech guy can easily do this kind of email template customization with code as well. It's not that complex kind of a thing. If you want that, you can subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, because I will be creating videos for that as well. Because I am a developer, I'm doing I'm selling that service on Fiverr for a lot of time now. So I will be creating that videos, and you can follow that and do that email customization of your emails by yourself. So this will be enough for the video, and take care guys, and Allah Hafiz.